Imagine this. You're over 60 and you've quietly noticed the spark of intimacy. That youthful vigor just isn't what it used to be. Perhaps you've scrolled through countless online remedies feeling a quiet desperation. What if I told you there's a surprisingly simple natural solution, an ancient remedy that could genuinely help reignite that flame? A solution so straightforward you might be tempted to dismiss it. Today, we're going to tackle a bold claim you might have seen. Apply castor oil here at night to get instant erections. While instant is a strong word, the profound truth is, as a urologist, I can confirm that applying castor oil to specific areas can indeed unlock surprising benefits for your intimate health, boosting circulation, breaking down stiffness, and helping to restore sensation, bringing back a deeper sense of confidence and connection. Don't click away because this isn't about fleeting promises. It's about a consistent, natural path to reclaiming your vitality and intimate wellness starting right now. So, what are the core challenges men over 60 often face when it comes to intimacy and overall vitality? It's more than just a numbers game. As we age, our bodies undergo natural physiological changes that can impact our intimate health. These often include 1. Reduced blood flow. Our arteries can become less flexible, leading to decreased circulation, especially to the delicate areas down there. This directly impacts the ability to achieve and maintain strong erections. 2. Tissue stiffness and fibrosis. Over time, penile tissues can become less elastic, and microscopic scarring or plaque can build up, leading to discomfort, changes in shape, or reduced function. 3. Chronic inflammation. A low-grade persistent inflammation in the pelvic area or throughout the body can silently limit performance, sensation, and overall vitality. 4. Nerve sensitivity decline. The delicate nerves responsible for sensation and arousal can become less responsive, diminishing pleasure and connection. 5. Skin changes. The skin, especially in sensitive areas, can become thinner, drier, and more fragile, leading to discomfort or reduced sensation. These changes are often accompanied by feelings of frustration, a sense of loss, and a quiet worry about remaining connected with a partner. You're not alone in experiencing these shifts. The good news is, while these are natural processes, we can actively support our bodies and mitigate their effects with simple, consistent self-care. And that's where our surprising ally castor oil comes into play. What if the key to supporting your intimate health, boosting circulation, and restoring comfort was something used for centuries, a natural remedy found in many households? That ally is castor oil. Yes, this humble, thick, pale yellow oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant has a rich history in traditional medicine from ancient Egypt to India. Used for its purported healing and therapeutic properties, it's often used as a compress for pain or inflammation. But its unique composition makes it particularly intriguing for male intimate wellness. The secret lies in its primary component, ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid with remarkable anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and circulatory boosting properties. It's accessible, affordable, and profoundly powerful when used consistently. This isn't about instant miracles, but about a gentle, persistent, daily self-care ritual that can lead to surprising, profound benefits for men over 60. So, how does this ancient oil work its remarkable magic, particularly for men's intimate health and overall wellness? The benefits stem primarily from its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. Here's how a consistent application of castor oil can help unleash your hidden strength and support your intimacy. 1. Boosting circulation down there. Gentle blood flow enhancer. Think of your blood vessels as delicate rivers. As we age, these rivers can get sluggish. Ricinoleic acid has a unique ability to stimulate blood flow and lymphatic circulation when applied topically. This means more oxygen-rich blood can reach the intimate areas, supporting healthy tissue function and potentially contributing to stronger, more reliable erections over time. It's like gently clearing the path for the river to flow more freely. 2. Breaking down tissue stiffness and plaque, increasing flexibility. Imagine the intimate tissues accumulating microscopic stiffness or subtle plaque over time, like hardened clay. Castor oil is known for its deep penetrating ability and its capacity to soften tissues. This can help to gently break down minor adhesions or stiffness in the penile and perianal tissues, promoting greater flexibility and comfort, potentially restoring a more youthful feeling and function. 3. Reducing chronic inflammation, calming the internal fire. Many age-related issues are fueled by silent chronic inflammation in the body, including in the pelvic area. Ricinoleic acid is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. By gently reducing this inflammation, castor oil can help alleviate discomfort, improve sensation, and create a healthier environment for optimal intimate function. It's like pouring cool water on an irritated area. 4. Supporting nerve repair and regeneration. Reawakening sensation. The delicate nerves in the intimate area can become less sensitive with age, impacting pleasure and arousal. While more research is ongoing, the circulatory and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil create an optimal environment for nerve health by enhancing blood flow and reducing nerve-damaging inflammation. It may help support nerve regeneration, potentially restoring lost sensation and enhancing the emotional connection to intimacy. It's like gently re-establishing clearer signal pathways. 5. Nourishing and hydrating delicate skin protection and comfort. As skin ages, it naturally becomes thinner, drier, and more fragile, especially in sensitive areas. Castor oil is a deeply nourishing emollient. Applying it topically provides intense hydration and forms a protective barrier, keeping the skin supple, healthy, and comfortable, which is crucial for comfort and overall intimate experience. It's like giving parched earth a rich drink. These benefits don't happen instantly like a pharmaceutical, but through consistent, gentle application, castor oil can become a powerful natural component of your self-care routine, supporting profound physical healing and emotional empowerment. Now, let's talk about how to apply it. Here's the simple yet profoundly effective way to incorporate castor oil into your daily self-care routine for intimate health and wellness. This addresses the question of apply castor oil here at night from our thumbnail. How to incorporate this daily habit. 1. Choose quality oil. Purchase 100% pure cold-pressed hexane-free castor oil. This ensures you're getting the highest quality product without unwanted chemicals. You can find it online or at most health food stores. 2. Prepare for application. It's best to apply this at night after showering and before bed. You might want to wear old underwear or pajamas as castor oil can stain fabric. 3. Apply a small amount. Dispense a small amount of castor oil. Start with just a few drops, perhaps a 1/4 teaspoon into your palm. 4. Gentle application down there. Focus your application on the perianal area, the space between the base of your scrotum and your anus, and gently massage it towards the high base of the penis and along the underside of the shaft. You can also apply a thin layer directly to the scrotal skin if desired, as it helps nourish fragile skin. The key is gentle, consistent massage to allow the oil to penetrate and stimulate blood flow and lymphatic drainage in these areas. Do not apply directly inside the urethra or glands. 5. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Spend a minute or two gently massaging the oil into the skin until it's mostly absorbed. This gentle massage further stimulates circulation. 6. Consistency is key. Make this a nightly ritual. Consistency over time is what yields the most surprising and profound benefits. Just like any self-care routine, results are gradual, not instant, but incredibly rewarding. Daily challenge. For the next 2 weeks, commit to this simple nightly ritual. Apply castor oil to the perianal area and base of your penis with a gentle massage for 1 to 2 minutes before bed. Notice how you feel. Your body will thank you, and you might be surprised by the revitalizing changes. While the benefits for intimate health are certainly compelling, castor oil's positive impact extends even further, making it an excellent addition to any man's holistic wellness routine. Lymphatic support. Castor oil is renowned for stimulating lymphatic circulation, which is crucial for detoxification and immune function throughout your body. A healthy lymphatic system means a healthier you from head to toe. Joint comfort. Many men over 60 experience joint stiffness or discomfort. Applying castor oil topically to achy joints can provide soothing relief due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Skin and hair health. Beyond sensitive areas, castor oil can be used to hydrate dry skin patches, strengthen brittle nails, and even promote thicker hair growth, including for eyebrows and eyelashes. Digestive comfort. While typically taken internally as a laxative with caution and doctor's advice, topical application over the abdomen can sometimes aid in reducing bloating or constipation by supporting gut motility. So, by incorporating this small act of self-care with castor oil, you're not just targeting one area. You're investing in a comprehensive upgrade for your entire body, supporting everything from your internal detoxification pathways to your skin, joints, and crucially, your vital intimate strength. It's truly a multifaceted natural remedy. Let me share a truly inspiring story about a patient of mine, Edward, a thoughtful 68-year-old retired engineer from rural Pennsylvania. Edward came to me with a quiet yet profound sense of resignation. "Doctor," he confessed, his voice tinged with sadness, "my energy isn't what it used to be, and honestly, the intimacy with my wife, Sarah, has become a source of quiet anxiety. We've been together for over 40 years, and I feel like I'm losing that vital connection." I thought this was just the end of that chapter. He was wary of prescriptions and yearned for something natural. When I introduced him to the surprising benefits of applying castor oil to his intimate area and explained the consistent, gentle healing it could offer for blood flow, tissue flexibility, and nerve sensation, a flicker of hope appeared in his eyes. Edward, being an engineer, committed diligently to the routine, viewing it as a daily maintenance schedule for his body. Every night after his shower, he would gently massage a few drops of castor oil into the base of his penis and perineum. He also started taking short, brisk walks and focusing on hydration. Within just 2 months, the change was remarkable. At his follow-up, Edward wasn't just walking taller. His eyes sparkled with renewed confidence. "Doctor," he beamed, "it's absolutely incredible. I feel a new kind of energy, a comfort down there I haven't felt in years. And with Sarah, that spark, that connection, it's back. It's not about being 20 again, but it's about feeling present, feeling strong, feeling us again. This simple routine has truly been a gift." Edward's story and countless others like his are powerful testaments to the incredible control you have over your own vitality through conscious, consistent, and remarkably simple action. It's about knowing how to care for your body with the right natural knowledge to unlock its inherent power, especially for vital intimate function and reclaiming that sense of freedom, connection, and confidence that truly defines living well in your golden years. While incorporating daily castor oil can be a powerful natural tool to enhance your energy, comfort, and intimate vitality, it is absolutely vital to consult with your urologist or primary care physician immediately if you are experiencing persistent or severe issues like chronic erectile dysfunction, significant pain in the pelvic area, unusual lumps, blood in your urine or semen, or any other concerning physical symptoms. These natural strategies are incredibly powerful supportive tools, but they are not a substitute for a proper medical diagnosis or prescribed treatment for underlying medical conditions. As we've discussed, declining energy or intimate issues can sometimes be early warning signs of other serious undiagnosed health issues that demand urgent medical attention, such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, or even prostate issues. Ignoring these persistent symptoms is like ignoring a persistent check engine light in your car. You're setting yourself up for a bigger, more costly problem down the road. Your doctor can perform a proper assessment, conduct necessary tests, discuss all available options, and ensure you receive the most accurate diagnosis and safest, most effective care, working in partnership with your proactive lifestyle changes. Please never let embarrassment, fear, or a sense of resignation prevent you from seeking this vital care. Your well-being, your peace of mind, and your intimate happiness are far too important to neglect. Your journey to lasting outro energy, renewed confidence, and a vibrant, intimate life starts right now with this simple yet powerful daily action. Don't let unanswered questions or a sense of resignation diminish your potential for a truly fulfilling life. Take action today. Be brave. Go to your local health store or order online today and get pure cold-pressed castor oil. Commit to that nightly 1 to 2 minute self-massage ritual. It's a small, tangible step you can take immediately to support your body's natural healing. And if you have persistent concerns, schedule that long overdue checkup with your urologist or primary care physician. Discuss your symptoms openly and ask about lifestyle changes. Your emotional peace, your physical health, and your intimate happiness are absolutely worth this vital step and the liberation it can bring. If this video has brought you clarity, understanding, or a spark of hope, please take a moment right now to hit that like button. It genuinely helps us know we're delivering content that truly resonates with you, our cherished men's health community. More importantly, please share this vital video widely with every man you know, your friends, family, colleagues, anyone who might be quietly struggling with energy, intimacy, or seeking trusted natural advice for wellness. Your simple act of sharing could be the turning point for them, offering invaluable, empowering insights into urologist. Apply castor oil here at night to get instant erections and to never miss out on exclusive, trustworthy men's health and wellness advice and the latest breakthroughs from leading experts, all meticulously crafted to empower men. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now. Finally, we genuinely want to hear from you. We're building a strong, supportive community here. We invite you to share your own honest questions or experiences below in the comments respectfully and privately. Your insights truly help others navigate similar journeys. Our men's health community is a powerful place to learn, share, and support one another on this vital journey to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for tuning in and investing so wisely in your well-being.